Few things people can't tell me. They can't tell me that I ain't got no talent. I don't believe that. I'm talented in so many ways. And they can't tell me I can't cook. Okay? Lawry's loves my collard greens, so they went ahead and gave me my own seasoning. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, Tiffany Haddish seasoning from Lawry's. Boom. Thank you. You like them? And we got that fried chicken. Yeah.
Comedian Tiffany Haddish cooks tacos, fried chicken, collard greens, and mashed sweet potatoes.
What up, y'all? It's your girl, Tiffany Haddish, and I'm cooking in the kitchen. Oh, yeah. So we went ahead and made what I like to call black people tacos. Or black girl tacos. I don't know. But we got the ground beef, right? Fantastic. Lettuce, cheese, little cilantro, little tomatoes. Now, booyah taco. We got the sour cream on there. Got some onions. Booyah. Got that avocado if you want some of that. And a little guacamole. And don't mess with your girl. See, we doing everything celebrity style. So we got that Bobby Brown bagging it. Chicken bagging it. What? Also, making cornbread. Got the cornbread in the oven. That Dolly Parton cornbread. Sweet cornbread. We're going to see what that Dolly Parton do. We're going to see what that Dolly Parton do. Also, you know, we got that Patti LaBelle peach cobbler. Ooh, peach cobbler with Patti. And we got a sweet potato pie as well, too. Yep. But, you know, we got that Bobby Brown bag in it. Because, boom. Thank you. You like them? And we got that fried chicken. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, that's that Japanese fryer right there. Oh, look at that. That's big. Oh, that Haddish get good. Bobby Brown bagging it. She ready. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we cooking now. Oh, let me turn the fire down a little bit. Turn it the wrong way. All right, let's get out. Okay, give me about 20 minutes. Dinner will be served, okay?
Take your time. If it tastes like that, take your time, girl.
Okay, it's just like that. Okay, hold out, because, baby, the tacos was an appetizer. If you need a little more appetizer, I understand. Yeah. Oh, let me show y'all what else I made. Oh, let me see if it... Okay, it came out all right. It's all right. So I also made some sweet potatoes on the stove. I thought it was going to be so much more, but oh well. Everybody get a little bit. Everybody get a little bit. And then we got them collards on deck. Oh, let me turn this on. All right. Boom. Boom. And I got to drop some more in the grease. Turn that down a little bit. We have the collards on. We put that on the fire. Okay. It's a Japanese deep fryer. That's how they do it in Japan, baby. Somebody said fryer information, please. All right. So now I put the Bobby Brown bagging it in here. It starts out like this, right? Boom. And then you get to hear, okay? Somebody said don't forget to turn off the stove. Don't worry, I'll have to turn the stove on. Because I'm cooking more chicken. More chicken. More chicken. More chicken. More chicken. More. I brought a lot of chicken. Hope they all enjoy this very much. The She Ready Foundation is... Ooh, thank you, Leron. We ready. So, the She Ready Foundation.
What are you cooking for?
I'm cooking. I'm about to tell everybody who I'm cooking for. So, I'm cooking for some of our guests that came to the She Ready Foundation prom, they won in the auction dinner with Tiffany. So I cooked the dinner. They eat it up. Alright. It's getting a little smoky. It's getting a little smoky. Yeah. I love cooking, y'all. It's like one of my favorite things to do. It makes me feel like a mad scientist. But it is smoky. It's getting smoky. It's okay. It's okay. That part. That part. Good.
Like fried chicken and everything like that. That's so
Yeah, it's a Japanese fryer.
Oh, really? That's awesome.
Yeah, that's what they call a deep fryer in Japan. Yes, please refill my cup. I like the ginger beer. Oh, they have flavored ginger beer?
Yeah, blood orange ginger beer.
Oh, I'll try it. I'll try blood orange ginger. Blood orange ginger beer. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, baby. Okay, so we get that about a hot 15 to 20 minutes. You got this.
I was like, it looks like she has it.
She got it. She got it. I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you.
Tiffany over there, but she's trying.
I have to taste my creation. Make sure it's good. Cooked all the way through. Yes. Cooked all the way through. Because she know how to cook. It's too hot.
Is this body round?
Body round? Yeah, I've used it before. That's why I brought something to cut it with. Because it gets a little spicy. See how smoky that is? Oh. You see the smoke? See the smoke coming off there? It is crispy.
Hold it over there, I can eat it.
About to marry myself. It's delicious. Don't y'all be trying to be marrying me up in here, okay? You eat. Okay. I've been able to bring you to my orchard. Don't worry.
I heard a couple of bad apples with a good apple.
It ain't no bad apple, baby. Ain't no such thing as a bad apple.
She goes, I know a rotten apple when I see one.
Ain't nothing rotten. Ain't nothing rotten. I know how to work with it.
Just, I made it. It's like jumping in a car battery.
I got you. I got you. Hello, Argentina. All right. So, The batter has the seasoning in it already.
So you know they're sick.
Already the seasoning's in the batter.
You just took a half of one. I usually take a whole one.
Now I just put this chicken in here. The grease is a little hot. It's a little hot. It's a lot. Oh yeah, that's hot. You can't tell me. See, you know a few things people can't tell me. Few things people can't tell me. They can't tell me that I ain't got no talent. I don't believe that. I'm talented in so many ways. And they can't tell me I can't cook. Okay?
Oh, this is your seasoning?
Yeah, that's me.
Yes.
Yeah, Lawry's.
I've never seen it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, cause I cook so damn good. Lawry's loves my collard greens. So they went ahead and gave me my own seasoning.
Hold on.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Tiffany Haddish seasoning from Lawry's. And then back here is my recipe. Yeah.
They don't sell it everywhere, do they? Only in California?
The Lawry's?
Yeah. Because you can't find
They don't- they-
chicken, you can't find none of this
Okay,
stuff.
now the Bobby Brown bagging that you can get off his website. This, they don't sell this no more.
They don't sell it no more?
They don't sell this, so you're going to have to get it off of eBay or something.
As long as I can
You
get
have
it
to put it in.
because that's what I use. I'm going to definitely be getting yours.
Yeah, you're going to have to put in the request. Special request. Yeah, that Tiffany Haddish season.
All right.
Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Somebody said I'm doing some bullshit. What bullshit am I doing? Look at that. All right, y'all. That was enough sharing for today. I'm out. Finish cooking. We gotta finish cooking. I'll be done in just a few minutes. What y'all want to do after this? Y'all want to go to the club? Let's go to the comedy club.
Goddess Vision TV. Celebrating feminine energy. Thanks for watching.